Why do keywords matter? Well, good question. So, keywords are the bridge connecting buyers to your store. Essentially, they dictate how buyers find you. This is crucial because without the right keywords, your products might remain hidden in the vast sea of Etsy listings. So, keywords also serve an important role. They inform Etsy about the essence of your product. Think of them as a language that helps Etsy understand and categorize your items accurately. They ensure that they reach the right audience. That's the whole point of keywords. So remember, choosing the right keywords is not just a technical task, it's a strategic one to basically position your products effectively in the marketplace. So let's look at keyword tools that can help you in this. So there are some fantastic tools out there to help you identify those profitable keywords. First, we have eRank, also known as Etsy Rank. It is a great source for understanding how keywords perform specifically on Etsy. And then you've got Allura and Everbee are also powerful tools that you should consider for your keywords research. So have a look at these three and see what you think of them. They all have the same purpose, but the pricing or the features might be, vary between all three. So when using these tools, focus on three main aspects. So you need to be looking at the search volume, the competition, and the buyer intent. Search volume tells us how often a keyword is searched. Competition reveals how many others are using the same keywords. And buyer intent gives us insight into whether people searching for these terms are ready to make a purchase. These insights can guide us towards choosing keywords that not only boost visibility, but also attract those eager to buy people as well. So when considering keywords, think about how specific they are. For instance, Printable Budget Planner works well because it's precise and directly relates to what a potential buyer might seek. On the other hand, Budget Ideas is a little too vague and doesn't clearly indicate what the product is. A practical tip is just to utilize Etsy's auto suggest feature. It can really help you discover what buyers are actively searching for, making your listings more relevant and discoverable.